Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cooking Pass. As the festive season is knocking our door and we all are taking up for our upcoming biggest festival Durga Puja, we have decided to come up with some Puja special recipes so that you can all grab it and make these recipes on this festive season. Today we are introducing the recipe of Dal Puri or Radha Bollavi, which is usually made with chola dal in Bengal. This dish is made during the Durga Puja and in the wedding ceremonies. We are serving this dal puri with Bengali aloo chachchori, so we will be showing the recipe of aloo chachchori too. So please be with us, and if you are not subscribed yet to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's get started. We have taken 200 grams of chola dal for making dal puri. Take the quantity as per your requirement. The quantity we are showing here is to serve for 4 adults. Soak the chola dal for overnight in plenty of water. First, we will be grinding this chola dal along with a green chili and a teaspoon of salt. Adding a little bit of water into this and grind this. Grind it coarsely like this. If it is too smooth, the Radha Bollavi or the dal puri won't have get any texture. Now heat the karai and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil into this. Heat it well. Once the oil is hot, add the coarsely grinded chola dal into this. Temper the oil with a pinch of asafoetida or hing. We have forgot to add in the beginning, so we are adding it here. Stir it continuously and fry this on low heat. We are adding 2 tablespoons of homemade bhaja masala into this. Adding about half teaspoon of sugar. We will give you the bhaja masala link in description box. You can check it out from there. Switch off the flame and mix this all together very well. Now keep this aside and let it cool down in room temperature. In the meantime, let's start making the dough. We have taken 200 grams of maida or refined flour. Into this, we are adding a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Mix it all together very well and make a dough. Keep the dough rest for 15 minutes. Now, let's start making the aloo chachchori. For this, we have taken 3 large potatoes cut into cubes. Heat the karai well and add some mustard oil. Temper the oil with a dry red chili, a green chili and a teaspoon of panchforan. Let it splatter. Then add the potatoes into this. Adding a teaspoon of salt into this, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and fry this on medium heat. When the potatoes are getting softer, add handful of green peas and keep frying this on medium heat. Now add some water into this as per your requirement of the gravy and cover this and let it boil for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid and check the potatoes if it is done. Please make sure the potatoes are cooked perfectly and the gravy is a bit thicker. Our potatoes are cooked perfectly. We are adding a tablespoon of kasuri methi. Give this a quick mix and transfer this into a bowl. Our aloo chachchori is ready. Let's start making puris. Divide the dough in equal portions. Grease your palm with oil and then flatten each dough like this. Make enough space inside the dough to put the sufficient filling inside it. Now take the filling or the chola dalir pur and put it inside the dough balls like this. Then seal all of its edges properly and make sure the filling won't come outside while you will be rolling it. Give each dough balls a proper shape. Repeat this process for each dough balls and continue. Our dough balls are ready. Now we will be rolling it. Before that, heat some refined oil in the karai to deep fry the puris. Roll each dough balls like this. And then deep fry each puris. Fry this from both of its sides well. And once it is done, keep this aside. Repeat this process for each dal puri or Radha Pallavi and make as much as you want. Our dal puri or Radha Pallavi is ready to be served. You can serve this with aloo chachori as the recipe we have shown here. Also, you can enjoy this with mishti amer achar beside this. Do try this recipe in this festive season and do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.